back in. It's time for What's Cooking with Ali and Donovan, presented by Tico People's Gas. And earlier, the guys met up with a Tampa area chef who taught them how to make a delicious meal using the power of clean and energy-efficient natural gas.
What's going on? I'm Donovan Smith here with Ali Marpet and Tim from Chichio's Cali. Let us know what we got going on today.
All right, so today we're gonna make our hot and crunchy tuna. It's our most popular dish by far, so we're gonna turn up a little heat so we can sear our tuna. We're gonna sear our tuna with a little bit of blackening seasoning on each side. So we're gonna start by making that. We make our blackening seasoning in-house. We use a little bit of paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, parsley,
Nice.
oregano,
Nice.
cayenne for the heat.
Get some heat.
You have to with the blackened spice, and a little bit of black pepper. We're also gonna add a little pinch of salt in there as well. You know what?
Donovan, is that enough salt?
Yeah.
How big are your pinches? Go for it, man. You need to use those big hands. Cool, not enough. We're gonna go a little bit more
I like
and
that.
throw it in there. So we just mix that up, mix that together.
So we're going a little blackened, a little Asian theme, a little bit of both, kind of.
Yeah, so we're gonna kind of have that hybrid.
A little hybrid.
And then we have our nice piece of yellowfin tuna, really beautiful red color. We're just gonna cut this. One of the biggest stages, we're gonna have it diced at the end of it.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut into tuna steaks. So we're gonna go about 1 inch thick and just cut that down, just like that.
And you go sear,
Sear, yep.
and then
That's it.
we're talking. How we how sear? 30 seconds, a minute. What do we do? How
So
many-
yeah, about 30 seconds. It's gonna depend on how thick it is.
Yeah.
Got some heat going
If
on
we're
there,
at an inch,
Yeah.
you figure about 30 seconds.
which is fine. We wanna get some nice heat to that. Because again, we're gonna go quick sear. Just really nice and heavily season that. You wanna make sure you're coated on both sides. We'll get that second side once we go on the pan as well. All right, so we're gonna get a little bit of a sear to it.
1.
You gonna count?
30 seconds?
Don't lose count. Where are we at? That's not helpful.
1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3
We're
Mississippi.
gonna get that
All right,
next
now
side.
I'm all messed up, dude. We're close.
We're getting there
We're getting there. I'd
30
say
seconds?
5 for the first one.
for the first one.
5.
How about the second one?
We'll flip it at the same pace, and then we'll be on time.
Ali.
4,
You've done this before.
3. Is that good?
All right,
Yeah.
so we got some nice color on there. Not too much. You see, we still got
Yeah,
nice
that's
and red through the
perfect.
That
middle
one's
of it.
ready.
I'm not counting for the next
This
one.
one's ready?
Yeah.
You flipped us. You messed up the order.
Did I?
I think that was the second one.
I don't know. I feel good about it. Either way, we got some nice color on it. All right, so we've got our seared blackened tuna. We're gonna cut it up in about a 1/2 inch dice. Ali, you want to take
Half
charge
inch.
in that?
Yeah.
So you want to start just by going along straight lines.
Oh, do I know if I'm going along with the grain?
You're good just the way you are right there. So we cut along that, and then you're going to turn it, and you're going to cut the other way. So you're going to get your square pieces or your dice. Get rid of some of this other stuff. Make sure you got enough space on your cutting board when you're going too. you know? That's perfect. So
Thank you.
we're going to keep going a little bit. It's just kind of
Speed up the process.
Speed up the process a little bit. Did I take that from you? I didn't mean to do that. Were you having fun?
No.
So we're gonna
Like you like.
I was thinking about it too much.
All right, so we have our blackened seared
You'll love
tuna.
it.
We're gonna mix that with some cucumber jicama slaw, which is just nicely fine shredded cucumber jicama. You know what a jicama is?
No.
Jicama.
I
So
always see it in the menu.
jicama is kind of it's almost like a texture of an apple, but the flavor basically whatever you
I don't
put
know.
on it, it's gonna take on that flavor.
I just don't know
so,
what it looks like.
So in this case, we're
Like in
gonna
its full form.
we're gonna use some soy sauce to give it that flavor.
Then you throw some green onion, scallion, green onion.
Yeah,
on
we
there.
did a little bit of scallion, green onion. We're gonna mix that together, and this is gonna be our base for the hot and crunchy tuna.
You got some white rice.
Yeah.
But I don't feel like we
Not quite
touched
like
on
that.
these crispy
yeah,
onions enough.
Well, we're gonna get there. We're
Okay,
gonna
'cause
top
I'm
it off with
very
it.
excited about these.
I can tell. I'm excited for you. So we have our hot and crunchy. We build it with our sticky rice there,
Yeah.
and then we put our base over top of it. We're gonna take this and just put it right over top. Make sure we get all that nice tuna in there. Beautiful red color mixed with that cucumber and jicama. and all that soy sauce in there is going to drip down as well. We want to make sure we get all that in there. So
That is a protein-heavy bowl.
thank you.
That's like
Yeah.
that would be double protein.
You think so?
Maybe. I don't know. I haven't gotten a bowl
It'd
in
be
a while.
perfect for you.
That's my kind
Yeah, I
of
mean,
bowl.
we like to bring value to the table. So we have that. We're going to add a little bit of our
Avocado.
avocado
with
to it.
lime juice and salt to get it all creamy like that.
Yep. So this is just simply avocado, salt, lime juice, right to the top, just to give it a little bit of fat and a little bit of texture. We're also going to add our sriracha aioli.
A little more
Go
fat.
heavy on
Yeah.
A little more fat.
You want to go heavy on this? So drizzled right over.
Aioli's a mayo-based sauce,
Yeah.
correct?
So real simple.
Look at Ali,
Just a little
man.
bit of mayo, a little bit of sriracha, a little bit of soy, a little bit of rice wine vinegar, and some garlic as well. And this is where your favorite part comes in. These
Yeah.
crispy tempura onions, really my favorite part as well.
Boom.
Gonna go right over the top here. Build it up nice and high. Make sure we get good height from it.
Yeah,
Put
look at
some,
that
like,
height.
Like in a moat, like, you know, around it.
And that's our hot and crunchy tuna. Again, our most popular menu item at Chichio Cali.
Have some.
Yeah,
have
take a
some.
bite.
I need a fork.
I mean, I've had it before.
This is phenomenal.